In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix common Windows Store app problems on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best result, just come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right panel, select where it says additional troubleshooters. And then going underneath find and fix other problems, there should be something near the bottom that says Windows Store Apps. Troubleshoot problems that may prevent Windows Store apps from working properly. Go ahead and select that and then run the troubleshooter and give that a moment here. And then hopefully it would be able to automatically resolve the problem. In my case, it just needed a Microsoft account. I'd have to sign in, but in your case, hopefully it would be able to resume the Windows Store app process to working properly. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.